Hi viewers, I'm Neelam and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle. So today I'm sharing my entryway dresser makeover video with you guys. So let's get started. So this is the dresser in my entryway before, but it's pretty small, so I think to put the big one, and the bigger one have actually a darker finish. I chose the lighter finish because my floor is gray. It's pretty dark gray, so I think if I go with a lighter color it looks better. So this was the finish before. It's kind of like chocolatey burgundy, and then I chose this Rust-Oleum paint chalk finish. I love chalk finish because it's hide a lot of imperfection, and if you're not pro, which I'm not, but I really love to do the makeover with the chalk paint because I really like that chalky feel. So if you like to do the DIYs, if you like to give your furniture a new look, I think chalk paint is a really good choice because it's really forgiving paint. So then I stirred really well, and this was I think $30 or $32 for that size, so it's like a half gallon. And I opened the door because it should be a well ventilated area. It was no smell, but for the safe side I did it because it was pretty hot day, so it's good, it will fast dry. So you know, I'm Neelam, and if you're watching this video it means you love to do the DIYs, and I did try so many DIYs. I share with you guys my garden video and my home video. So if you like these kind of videos, please do subscribe, and if you like that kind of content, I'm really happy if you visit my channel again. So I give actually 2 coats to that dresser because after the first coat I can still see a brown underneath, so I did the second coat. It wouldn't take that long to dry the whole thing. I think I did this both coat same day, and I let the door open because air makes it dry faster, as you can see. And mostly I use this drawer for my storage of my seasonal decor, like my autumn or my spring decor or the Christmas items. I really love to decorate this table in the Christmas season. So I have the pictures. I'm going to show you in my next video how I decorate when it was darker on the Christmas time, and I'm really happy when it's get lighter. I touch it, it feels really good, but I can still see the brown underneath, so I did the second coat. If you still see the paint, then you have to rub it with the paper, and then you can do it again until you're satisfied. So basically which look you want, this is the main thing. So if you're satisfied, then you can leave it, but if you are not satisfied, you can do just rub it and do it again. So this is the end look. I really love it. So that's a wrap up for today. I hope you guys like this video. So if you like the video, give me thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and hit the like button. I love to do the DIYs and the home design. I love to do seasonal decor, and I love to share my garden video with you guys, which you guys like it. So keep watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.